Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review a turbo air duster. So I have received this package to review. It looks pretty small, I would say. This is the size more or less. What you see is the device itself, I believe, with different heads. Just simply turbo air duster. This is the model, so it's a USB-C and 180 watts power max. Less than 3.5 hours of charging. If the machine is not used for a short period of time, please fully charge it. Alright, let's give it a try. So it can be removed like this. Let's open it from here. Alright, and that's pretty much how it looks like. It comes with a user manual. It's in English. So it comes, this is the device itself, different heads, a cable, a bag, and different parts of it basically written in here. It could be used for different functions, to blow air into something or to clean. Interesting. Let's have a look. So this is the bag, and this is the device itself. Interesting, quite heavy, I would say, for the small device. So it looks like it has an engine in here, pretty big engine, I would say. Quite heavy, so this, I assume this is the battery. And this is the USB-C charging. And I believe this is the inlet, based on the description as well here. That's correct, so this is the inlet. That is the outlet, and this is the power switch. Let's find the heads, different heads that we have. There are many different type of heads as well in the box. Quite a few, like 5 different heads. So this one, this one, this one, a longer one, and a very small one. Let's give it a try with this one. So I would connect it like this, so it go in here, I believe, and should be turned. Oops. So it should go, okay, other way around. So this is where it go inside and can be turned. Yes, correct. Let's turn it on. Okay, so when I turn it on, the green light is ready, and I assume we should press this. Wow, it's very powerful. It has 3 modes, so it's the green one, red one, green one, and blue one. Really powerful. Very, very, very powerful, I would say. Very interesting, very nice design, very solid product. I like it. So I can try it with a balloon to actually try to blow air inside the balloon. Let's just get another head in here. I'm not sure which one is the best one. I believe this would be probably the better one to try. Let's just connect it. Interesting. So I've got to be a little bit careful because I think it's very fast. Oh wow, it's really powerful. I would do it this way so that it doesn't explode in here. Wow, it's really powerful. Very powerful. So amazing product. I really like it. I think I will be definitely using it. It's perfect for cleaning things like keyboard, or get rid of the dust in somewhere. So even I'm thinking about getting rid of the leaves from the ground. So I will be definitely using this. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you and bye bye.